Let us start. So the first question is, which of the following resources are present unlimited in unlimited quantity? The options are exhaustible natural resources, inexhaustible natural resources, fossil fuel, and none of above. Yes, Kritika.
Ma'am, inexhaustible natural resources.
Inexhaustible natural resources are present in unlimited quantity. Very much right. Plus 2, no, plus 1. From which of the following is naphthalene derived? From which of the following naphthalene derived? Naphthalene कहाँ से मिलता है? कोक, कोल टार, कोल गैस और पेट्रोल. कोक, कोल टार, कोल गैस और पेट्रोल. Yes. From which of the following naphthalene is derived? Yes, Somil.
Ma'am, coal tar.
Very much right. Somil is very much right. Then naphthalene is derived from the coal tar. Next, petroleum is separated by using difference in. If you want to separate, we have done better destructive distillation. So the petroleum is separated by using difference in melting point, boiling point, freezing point, ignition temperature. Yes, who will give me the answer? Yes, Jant.
Ma'am, boiling point.
Yes, you want to
मैम ये टेस्ट आप डिस्कस कर रहे हो कि वैसे ही क्वेश्चन डिस्कस कर रहे हो?
वैसे बेटे फुल सिलेबस में से आपको ओरल टेस्ट हो रहा आज.
ओके मैम.
From the full syllabus, this is a type of the oral test we are doing. ठीक है? Where in India petroleum reserves found? Where in India petroleum reserve found? It is बेटे हिमाचल प्रदेश, गुजरात, उत्तर प्रदेश और बिहार. Yeah. Where in India petroleum reserve found? It is Himachal Pradesh, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh or Bihar. Yes. So 3 hands are raised. Very nice. Yes, Rhythm.
Ma'am, Gujarat.
You are confident with the answer?
Yes.
Okay then. So petroleum reserve found in India is in Gujarat. Can you tell me the world first oil well was drilled in which country, in which year? In which country, in which year? Yes, Omil.
The first oil well was drilled in Pennsylvania, USA in 1859.
Very nice. Pennsylvania, USA in 1859. Very much right. Next question. What is the full form of CNG? What is the full form of CNG? Yes, Rhythm.
Compressed natural gas.
Okay. Now you have to name the process. Slow process of conversions of dead vegetable into coal. Slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal. Yes.
Carbonization.
Carbonization. Very nice. Now the next answer will be not given by Rhythm. Anyone else will give. Process of separation of useful fraction or constituent from petroleum. Process of separation of useful fraction or constituent from petroleum. Yes, Jayant.
Destructive distillation.
It is destructive distillation from petroleum.
Ma'am, yes.
No, bete. If coal is there, then it is a destructive distillation. If there is petroleum, then there is a fractional distillation. Okay. In case of petroleum, bete, it is fractional distillation. But in case of coal, it is destructive distillation. Because coal में आपको solid, liquid सब मिलता है. और पेट्रोलियम में आपको सब लिक्विड मिलते हैं जो डिफर करते हैं बॉइलिंग पॉइंट की बेसिस पे. ओके. नाउ थिक ब्लैक लिक्विड हैविंग अनप्लेजेंट ऑर्डर ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम कोल. थिक ब्लैक लिक्विड हैविंग अनप्लेजेंट ऑर्डर ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम कोल. बाकी क्लास क्या कर रही है बेटे? ओनली 4 हैंड्स आर रेजिंग अगेन एंड अगेन. Yes, bete, thick black liquid having unpleasant odor from the obtained from the coal. Where are the rest? Where is Japji today? Yes, Japji.
Coal tar.
Yes, it is coal tar. Variety of coal with very less carbon content. Variety of coal which is having very less carbon content. Yes, Riddham, you want to speak.
Peat coal.
Which coal?
Having 60 to 70% of carbon.
But that is variety of coal again, say.
Ma'am, can you again tell?
I am asking you variety of coal with very less carbon content.
मैम पीट कोल में सबसे कम कार्बन होता है.
Yes. अच्छा, which have very high carbon content?
Anthracite.
Very nice. Now next is product obtained from the petroleum used to make candle wax. Which product which is obtained from the petroleum is used to make the candle wax? Yes, Jan.
Paraffin.
Yes, it is paraffin. So, who will tell me where is our Indian natural gas reserves are found? Indian natural gas reserves in India, where are they found? Yes, Somil.
Ma'am, they are found in Maharashtra, Tripura, Rajasthan, Krishna, Godavari Delta, etc.
They are found in Bombay High Basin, Gujarat, and Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, onshore reserve, Gujarat, northeast state like Assam and Tripura. So next is, who will tell me what is the full form of PCRA? What is the full form of PCRA? Yes, hurry up. Yes, Jayant.
Petroleum Conservation and Research Association.
Yes, you are very much right. That is Petroleum Conservation Research Association. Next, what is the full form of CFL? Yes. Yes, Rhythm, you have raised the hand without listening the question. CFL, what is the full form? Yes, Kritika. Yes, Somil.
Ma'am, chlorofluorescent lamps.
Again, compact fluorescent lamp. They are compact fluorescent lamp. That is CFLs. Okay. Now, these were the MCQ, bete. We will do those subjective type, like कैसे कैसे क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं कि CNG क्लीनर फ्यूल कौन सा है, CNG, तो इसकी यूजेस बताओ. तो ऐसे ऐसे आप क्वेश्चन खुद पढ़ना. मैंने अभी देखना है कि आपको बीच में से क्या आता है. फिर आपको हाउ इज पेट्रोलियम फॉर्म्ड, हाउ इज कोल it is very important. पेट्रोलियम कैसे बनता है, कोल कैसे बनता है, what is carbonization? These are the few important questions which can be asked. What are the uses of different product of petroleum, that is LPG, gasoline, kerosene, diesel, lubricating oil? इनकी आपको uses पता होनी चाहिए, ठीक है. अब ऐसे ही आपको uses petrochemicals, petrochemicals कौन कौन से हैं, why petroleum is called black gold, you should know this, ठीक है. So much limited time and I am telling you so many questions which can be important. Okay, so you can be asked with that why should we conserve and how should we can conserve the natural resources, how we can conserve the petroleum. So this kind of question you must be aware of. Okay, bete. So the next chapter I am asking you, that is combustion. Combustion and flame. Be ready. I am again asking you the questions. So the first question is, which of the following is the coldest zone of the flame? Coldest zone of the flame. Yes, Rhythm. It is luminous. Let me complete the options now. The luminous, black zone, non-luminous, or blue zone. Now tell me the answer.
Black zone.
Pakka?
Ma'am, yes, Pakka innermost zone is also known as black zone.
Why it is coldest zone? Yes, tell me.
And because there is not complete here, there is not
There is
combustion
no
of
complete
the
combustion and there is no availability of air there. It has unburned wax and it is a black color and it is known as innermost. So it is least hot or coldest zone. What
Yes,
do fire extinguisher have? What do fire extinguisher have? The options are oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. Yes, Kritika.
Carbon dioxide.
Yes, it has carbon dioxide as such, or it has sodium carbonate or an acid which help in liberating the carbon dioxide at that point only. Yes, very much right. Now, what is the full form of LPG? Yes, Jan.
Liquid petroleum gas.
Liquefied petroleum gas. It is liquefied petroleum gas, bete. Now, which zone of flame does goldsmith use for melting gold and silver ornaments? Which zone of gold does the goldsmith use for melting gold and silver? It is innermost, outermost, middle, or both A and B. Yes, Somil.
Ma'am, goldsmith uses the outermost zone of flame.
Why he uses outermost zone of the flame?
Ma'am, because it is the most hottest region of the flame.
Yes,
that
it is
is
the most hottest reason. It is a non-luminous zone also. It is a bluish zone also, and here is complete combustion. That is why the goldsmith uses this particular zone. Next is, bete, which of the following doesn't burn with flame? Which of the following doesn't burn with flame? It is kerosene, paper, molten wax, coal. It is kerosene, vapor, molten. Yes, Jabji.
Coal.
Yes, coal and coke don't vaporize while burning and hence do not produce flame. But kerosene wax would burn with flame as they vaporized on burning. All the fumes which are gaseous in nature or liquid or solid which have volatile components, bete, they will give you a flame. Inflammable substance. Inflammable substance have high ignition temperature, low ignition temperature, high boiling point, or low melting point. Yes, Rhythm.
Ma'am, low ignition temperature.
Low ignition temperature, it will catch fire very easily. This is inflammable substance. थोड़ी सी जैसे पेट्रोल की बात करें, हमें छोटी सी मैस्टिक की जरूरत पड़ती है और आग लग जाती है. तो it has low ignition temperature. You are very much right. Which is the best fire extinguisher to extinguish electric fire? Which is the best fire extinguisher to extinguish electrical fire? It is water, carbon dioxide, blanket, or oxygen. It is water, carbon dioxide, or that is, you have option blanket or oxygen. Yes, Kritika.
Ma'am, carbon
Why carbon dioxide?
dioxide.
Why can't you use the water? Why can't you use the water, beta? Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, we cannot use water, ma'am, because water is a very powerful conductor of electricity, and electricity can pass through the water, leading more damage.
Okay. So you know the points, very nice. Next is, what the calorific value of wood as compared to kerosene? The calorific value of wood as compared to the kerosene is more or less same, no calorific value. More, less, same, and you have to tell, again I repeating, you have to tell the calorific value of wood as compared to kerosene. It is less or more? Yes, Somil.
Ma'am, wood has more calorific value than kerosene.
Is it? Is it wood catches fire easily? Think about it, bete. Yes, Rhythm.
Ma'am, less.
Less. It doesn't have more. Can you tell me the calorific value of wood and kerosene?
Ma'am, calorific value of wood is 16,000 to 17,000, and of kerosene, I think 22,000.
Bete, kerosene is around 45 and wood is around 17 to 22. So it is around about, but it is obviously better. Kerosene catches fire easily and it gave us more heat as compared to wood. How can you say that it has less calorific value? Kerosene has. Achha, wood to have less, kerosene has more. Okay, now the component of air essential for burning. Yes, Somil. The component of air essential for burning.
Ma'am, oxygen.
Yes, very much right. Rain which comprises of pollutant. What is known as? जिस रेन में pollutant आ जाते हैं उस रेन को क्या कहा जाता है? Yes, Jayant.
Acid rain.
Yes, it is acid rain. Overall increase in temperature of earth is known as? Yes.
Global warming.
Global warming, yes. Achha, which fuel have highest calorific value?
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen has a high calorific value. Okay. So talking about this chapter, to summarize this chapter, what is important, what you should know when you are doing this chapter, you should know what is the difference between combustible and non-combustible substance, what is combustion, what are the three conditions for the combustion, that is oxygen, combustible substance, and it has required ignition temperature. So you should know what is ignition temperature. Can you tell why cooking oil doesn't catch fire when kept on frying pan for long on burning stove? इसमें से मुझे क्वेश्चन आ गया तो आई मैं आस्किंग दैट. ठीक है. Can you tell why cooking oil doesn't catch fire when kept on frying pan for long on burning stove?
Ma'am, because it has high ignition temperature.
Yes, it doesn't attain that much temperature which it needs. We can't say It has high ignition temperature. We will say it will not attain the temperature, have not attained the temperature as required when the cooking oil is kept on the fry pan, because when the oil को वैसे हम आग लगाते हैं दिए में तो वो कैच करता है बेटे फायर, तो इसका मतलब है उसका इग्निशन टेम्परेचर तो है लो, बट इन द केस ऑफ फ्राई पैन वो कैच नहीं करता। तो आपको मैस्टिक के बारे में पता होनी चाहिए कि मैस्टिक के कंपोनेंट्स क्या हैं। उसकी हेड पे एंटीमनी ट्राइसल्फाइड और पोटेशियम क्लोरेट लगा हुआ है और रेड फॉस्फोरस उसकी स्टिक के ऊपर लगा हुआ है। फिर आपको यू शुड नो हाउ टू कंट्रोल द फायर। देयर आर वेरियस फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर लाइक you can give the sand, water, or we have best one that is carbon dioxide. We can't use, as you told me, that water because it is a good conductor of electricity, and we cannot use water in case of oil also because the water is more denser than oil. It will form the lower layer and thus doesn't help in that is work well while extinguishing the fires. So you should know that what is the difference between rapid, spontaneous, and that is explosion. And then you should know the flame. Flame की क्या क्या parts होते हैं, तो क्या बोला जाता है. Very important. What is criteria of an ideal fuel? How you can select an ideal fuel? Like it must be cheap, readily available, high calorific value, less polluting in nature, burn completely and doesn't leave any undesirable substance. This kind of things you should know. Full form छोटी छोटी आनी चाहिए. Okay. So I'll take one more chapter for you, that is cell. Okay, cell. अभी हमारे पास syrup and syrup. I think we are left with 2 or 3 minutes. तो जितना cover होता है, let us cover that. Prokaryotic cell doesn't process nuclear membrane, cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm. Prokaryotic cell doesn't process. Yes.
Nuclear membrane.
Yes, it doesn't process nuclear membrane. Small nuclide is present. Underdeveloped nucleus where all the substance are, we can say, in the cell without any membrane. An animal cell lacks. An animal cell lacks cell membrane, mitochondria, plastids, or cell wall. Yes.
Cell wall.
It does have plastids.
Ma'am, no. Cell wall और plastid दोनों नहीं होते.
Yes. So both plastids and cell wall. Size of the smallest cell. 0.1 micrometer, 0.1 millimeter, 0.2 millimeter, or 0.02 micrometer. This is a good question. Smallest cell का size क्या है? Yes. What is the size of the smallest cell? Who will tell me? What is the size? Hanji.
0.1 centimeter.
No, centimeter is so much big. It is 0.1 micron. That is PPLO. Mycoplasma कहते हैं, genus of bacteria. That is PPLO. The full form of PPLO is Pleuropneumonia-like organism. Pleuropneumonia-like organism. Or mycoplasma have a smallest size with 0.1 micron. Remember it. MCQ में ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन आते हैं, आपको पता ही है. ठीक है
मैम? एक माइक्रोन में 10-3 मिलीमीटर होते हैं.
तो यू आर सेइंग सेंटीमीटर तो बहुत बड़ी चीज होती है.
यस मैम.
माइक्रो तो छोटी सी है. तो यू आर सेइंग सेंटीमीटर. हाँ. So plant cell wall में क्या होते हैं बेटे? मिनरल, फैट, सेलुलोज और लिपिड्स. मिनरल, फैट, सेलुलोज और लिपिड्स.
मैम किसमें? प्लांट सेल में?
प्लांट सेल वॉल में सेलुलोज होती है बेटे. इसकी वजह से हम प्लांट, जैसे हम कोई भी जो ग्रीन लीव्स जैसे वो खाते हैं, हम डाइजेस्ट ही नहीं कर पाते सेलुलोज. अगर हम पालक वगैरह भी खाते हैं वो भी बाहर निकलता है हमारे सेलुलोज।
Yes,
ह्यूमन
ma'am.
जो स्टमक है दैट कांट जो डाइजेस्ट सेलुलोज, ठीक है। तो प्लांट सेल में सेलुलोज होता है। एंड सेल वॉल में सेल मेम्ब्रेन इज मेड अप ऑफ प्रोटीन लिपिड्स बाइलेयर। ये यू विल डू इन डिटेल इन 9th स्टैंडर्ड। देयर इज अ प्रोटीन लिपिड bilayer consisting of intrinsic and extrinsic protein. You will do in detail that 9th में चैप्टर आएगा आपके, ठीक है। I'll not take detail now.
मैम मुझे एक डाउट है कि जो प्लांट मैम मुझे एक डाउट है कि जो प्लांट सेल्स होते हैं उनके पास डबल मेम्ब्रेन लाइक सेल वॉल और सेल मेम्ब्रेन की होती है, वही प्लांट्स जो एनिमल सेल्स है उसमें सिर्फ एक लेयर की होती है।
वो बेटे उसको क्योंकि जो प्लांट सेल है उसको सपोर्ट करना होता है, वहां पे एसिड ऑफ सैप होता है बेटे, वो उसमें पानी भर जाएगा, फूल जाएगा ना, तो उसको प्रोटेक्शन के लिए और स्टर्जिडिटी प्रोवाइड करने के लिए सेल वॉल होनी जरूरी है, अदरवाइज सेल आपकी बर्स्ट ही कर जाए।
ओके, यस मैम।
हमारी सेल इतनी फूलती नहीं ना, देयर इज नो एसेंट ऑफ सैप देयर, वहां पे इतना बड़ा वैक्यूम नहीं होता। इन प्लांट सेल देयर इज अ बिग वैक्यूम। ओके, ठीक है।
ओके,
सिमिलर सेल्स कंबाइन टू फॉर्म टिश्यू, ऑर्गन, ऑर्गन सिस्टम और ऑर्गेनिज्म।
टिश्यू।
Now other one will give the answer. Colored bodies present in plant cells are known as mitochondria, vacuoles, plastids or nucleus. Colored body. Yes, Kathy.
Ma'am, plastids.
Yes, plastids. Which of the following is unicellular organism? This is amoeba, plants, dog, fungi.
मैम कैन आई टेल?
Tell me.
Amoeba.
Amoeba is a unicellular organism. The lowest level of organization which have life. The lowest level of organization which have life. Yes, Jan.
Cell.
Yes, it is a cell. What did Robert Hooke observe under the microscope? Cork, root, stem or water? रॉबर्ट हुक ने क्या अंडर द माइक्रोस्कोप क्या ऑब्जर्व किया था? यस यस ख्याति, यस जब जी।
Dead cells of plants.
रॉबर्ट
मैम मैम कैन आई टेल? कॉक,
राइट,
कॉर्क,
जब जी इज आल्सो राइट।
कॉर्क।
कोक इज डेड सेल ऑफ प्लांट, जो आउटर बाउंड्री होती है दैट इज कोक, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑप्शन देयर मस्ट बी कोक, अदरवाइज शी इज आल्सो राइट।
ओके मैम।
आउटर बाउंड्री होती है, शी इज आल्सो राइट। कोक क्या होता है? वो वुडी जो एरिया होता है, दिस डेड वन। सेकेंडरी ग्रोथ हो जाती है प्लांट्स में, उसके बाद वो बनता है। डिटेलिंग यू विल डू अगेन इन 9th स्टैंडर्ड। मैंने 8th तक की बोलना, आपका 9th में आप और पढ़ोगे। ओके, द लॉन्गेस्ट सेल रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ट्रांसफरिंग मैसेजेस। ये जब जी।
Neuron or nerve cell.
nerve cell or neuron. Brain of the cell. Yes, Jan. Brain of the cell.
Nucleus.
Nucleus. Powerhouse of the cell. Yes, Kritika. Powerhouse of the cell.
Can I tell?
Yes, you can.
Ma'am, mitochondria.
Mitochondria. Heredity units which carry genetic information from one generation to another. Yes.
Chromosome.
Ma'am, chromosome.
Genes.
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 Chromosome.
मैम बट क्रोमोसोम्स में तो जीन्स
मैम,
होते
उनके
हैं जो
अंदर जीन्स होती है ना?
इसके अंदर genes.
मैम थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स होते हैं जो ट्रांसफर करते हैं, वो क्रोमोसोम्स भी हो सकते हैं
मैम, वो
वैसे।
तो क्रोमोसोम्स ही होंगे
क्योंकि उसमें जीन्स होते हैं।
ट्रांसफर तो जीन्स ही कर रही हैं।
मैम जीन्स तो क्रोमोसोम्स में ही होते हैं इसलिए।
तो आपको इंटरनल जाना है ना पूरा, आपको जीन्स आंसर